guys. All right, so today I'm making some potato salad. I'm going to show you the recipe I'm doing today. It is called cheesy potato salad. It's on allrecipes.com. I'm going to leave this recipe link in the description, so if you want to try to make it, you can. This is my first time making it. I thought it was really good, and I didn't think it was really good. I haven't tried it yet, but I thought from the ingredient list it was pretty good. So it says 2 pounds of red potatoes cubed. I don't have red, I just have the russet, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. Some sour cream, mayo, some sugar, green onions. I don't have green onion, but I do have dried chives that I'll probably use. And I have some shredded cheese, and I have some bacon bits. Now, I was reading the reviews on these, and everyone said do not add the sugar. It doesn't taste good. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow their reviews and not add the sugar. I was looking for a potato salad recipe to do. I didn't have like the ingredients for a basic potato salad, but I do remember at Fry's Grocery they have like a potato salad with cheese in it, so I decided to type that in my my recipe thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna peel these potatoes right now. I'm gonna cube them up, and then yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have 5 large potatoes peeled. I'm gonna dice these up. I hope these dices that I'm making aren't too small. They're chunky enough. I'm gonna finish all these up, and then I'll be back, guys. Alright you guys, so I have a pot of water coming to a boil. It's pretty much boiling almost. I'm just gonna throw a little salt in it, and I'm gonna throw in my diced potatoes. So I have all these diced up, ready to go. And yeah, so I'm just gonna toss it in there. Oops, I need to be careful because this water is hot. Let me see if I could just dump it in. I know this is not a good idea, but I just don't know how else to get these in. Okay, that wasn't too bad. That last one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stir these real quick. I guess I'll just use this for now. I'm just gonna stir these a little bit, and then I guess I'm gonna let them boil for, let me see what this recipe says. It says, my phone's kind of dirty. It says, let me see. Place potatoes in a pot, fill enough water to cover. Did that. Bring to a boil. Cook for about 10 minutes or until easily pierced with a fork. Drain and set aside to cool. So we're going to do that. We're going to let these boil. In the meantime, it says, large bowl, mix together the sour cream, mayo, sugar, which I'm not doing sugar, half the onions, and half of the cheese. So I'm going to shred up some cheese right now when my potatoes are boiling to get that ready to go. Alright guys, so my potatoes, I'm going to drain them. So I'm going to drain these and let these cool off for a little bit. so that I can mix them all up, and yeah. Alright you guys, so I just put the potatoes in a bowl, and they're pretty cooled off now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the recipe now. Okay you guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix 1 cup of sour cream, ½ cup of mayo, the green onion. I don't have green onion, I just have chives, so I'm just gonna use that, and then I'm gonna do the bacon bits. I don't have real bacon bits, but I do have these. Well, they're real, but already done, which makes it easier. Got my mayo, and yeah, I don't know about adding seasonings. I'm gonna try it and taste it and see if it needs any like salt, pepper, or some stuff like that. But for now, I'm just gonna go with this and see what it turns out like. So I got my sour cream here. Okay, and then I'm going to do mayo. Oops. Okay. So it says put half of the cheese mix, the shredded cheese. So I'm just going to put about like a ½ a cup there. Then it says 1 tablespoon of real bacon bits. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use more than that. So I'm going to go ahead and put as much bacon as I like. And it's more than 1 tablespoon, that's for sure. And then for the green onions, it says ½ of a bunch, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use these little chives. So I'm just gonna go that much. Now I might add some like seasoning, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, stuff like that. But first I want to mix it up and make sure I don't over salt it or anything before I start adding that stuff. I'm gonna mix all this up right now. That looks so good. Like, this is probably gonna be like the best potato salad. My kids don't like traditional potato salad, so I'm usually the only one that eats it when I buy it. So I decided to try something new today. So I'm gonna take this and put it in the bowl with the potatoes. Okay, so let me dump this in here. And the rest of the like cheese and stuff, they say to put on top after. So I guess we'll do that too. Okay, smells pretty good. Now I'm just gonna put, after I mix this up, I'm just gonna let this sit in the fridge until I'm ready for it. I hope I didn't make too many potatoes because it said 2 pounds, but I just kind of eyeballed it as far as that part goes. So I might have to add a little extra sour cream and mayo to mine. Yeah, let's see. Well, I guess it seems, oh, oops, sorry, we're not focused no more. I think I'm going to add a tad bit more mayo and sour cream. So I just added a little more mayo there, as you can see. I'm going to plop in some sour cream, because I don't want it to be dry. I think I might have used too many potatoes, but that's okay, because I still had extra mayo and sour cream. Okay, now this looks like, okay, I think this is better. Yeah, it's a lot better. A whole lot better. Hope you guys can see that. I'm trying to tilt the bowl. Okay, that's a ton times better. So yeah, I just needed to add a little extra. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna give this a try. See if I need, I know the other reviewers said they added some spices or whatever. I'm gonna try it. It's like a baked potato, pretty much. So I definitely want to add some salt to it. I'm definitely gonna add some seasoning salt. I think this is about a teaspoon-ish. We'll go with some black pepper. Oh wait, this Italian seasoning. Okay, well, I got a little Italian seasoning in mine. Thought it was black pepper. Alright, I'm gonna do a little black pepper, not too much, because it gets a little spicy if you add too much. I'm gonna go ahead and go on some onion powder. Like that. And then I'll probably add a tad bit of garlic powder. So, just like that. And then I'm gonna mix it. Yeah, so I'm gonna definitely add more cheese, more bacon, definitely more bacon, and more chives for sure. But basically it's gonna be like a baked potato salad, so pretty cool. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, you guys, so I just tried it again and it's perfect with adding those spices. It tastes so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I think I might put this in another bowl because this is just like a mixing bowl. So I think I'm gonna put it in another bowl and then top it with the rest of the remaining ingredients I have. Alright, so I'm just gonna use this little like cute dish or whatever. I'm just gonna put this in there. And this looks like super good. It tastes super good too, so totally recommend it. You should totally try it if you want to try a new type of potato salad. This is going to be such a hit. So this is like the perfect size bowl because that's basically this is like a smaller casserole dish. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this to scrape off the rest. Okay, so that was basically all of it. Let me move all the stuff out of the way. I'll clean my hands off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and top with the cheese. So I'm just gonna top with some cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? Okay, I think that's good enough. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some more chives on it. Add a little more. And then, of course, the most important ingredient of them all, bacon. So we're gonna top this with some extra bacon. And that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys give this recipe a try. You're not gonna be disappointed. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!